Delve into the enigmatic world of yoga, a practice that extends far beyond physical postures. At its heart, yoga is about unity, harmonizing the body, mind, and spirit. It's a journey towards inner peace, silencing the mind's chatter through meditation and mindfulness. But yoga isn't confined to tranquility and flexibility. It's a pursuit of physical health, enhancing strength and balance. It's a quest for mental clarity, promoting self-awareness and mental discipline. Yoga is also an emotional compass, providing tools to navigate stress and anxiety. It instills ethical values such as non-violence, truthfulness, and self-discipline, guiding us towards a more conscious life. Some forms of yoga foster a deep connection with nature, while others ignite personal transformation and self-realization. It teaches us acceptance and non-judgment, fostering a sense of community and interconnectedness. Remember, the essence of yoga is not a destination, but a journey, a lifelong practice that evolves over time. Each individual's experience of yoga is unique and can change as they grow and evolve. So, step onto your mat, close your eyes, and let your journey begin.